Good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss some more properties of vector. Another is already we have discussed about a dot product or scalar. What is scalar product? If a bar and b bar are two vectors, then a bar dot b bar is equal to ab cos theta, where a is equal to modulus a bar, b is equal to modulus b bar. That is called what? Cross dot product. Now we will study about cross product. What is cross product? Cross product of vector product of two vectors. If a bar and b bar are two non-zero vectors and theta be the angle between them, then the cross product of two vectors a bar and defined a bar cross b bar is equal to modulus a bar into modulus b bar into sine theta into n cap. A bar cross b bar is equal to modulus a bar into modulus b bar into sine theta into n cap. Where n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both a bar and b bar, such that a bar, b bar, n bar form a right-handed system of vectors. Right-handed system of vectors mean like this. I cap, j cap, k cap. This is called what? Right-handed system of vectors. So a bar, b bar are two non-zero vectors. Then the cross product of a bar and b bar is defined as a bar plus b bar is equal to modulus a bar into modulus b bar into sine theta into n cap. Where n cap is a unit vector which is perpendicular to both a bar and b bar, such that a bar, b bar, n bar form a right-handed system of vectors. You see, like this. If this is a bar, this is b bar, and theta is angle between them, and this is a bar cross b bar. N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to a bar and b bar. And if n cap is this way, means a bar is minus. This is a opposite direction. So always remember a bar cross b bar is equal to what? Minus b bar cross a bar. A bar cross b bar is equal to minus b bar cross a bar. Now you see like this. So it is a right-handed system only. Thumb is in the perpendicular vector. A bar and b bar are two vectors. Then this is a bar and this is b bar and this is n bar. Now cross product is a vector because a bar cross b bar is equal to what? AB modulus a bar into modulus b bar into sine theta into n cap. Here modulus a bar is scalar, modulus b bar is scalar, sine theta is scalar, but n cap is a unit vector. So a bar cross b bar is a vector. So cross product is a vector. And the vector product is anti-commutative. Anti-commutative means a bar cross b bar is equal to what? Minus b bar cross a bar. Why? Because it is because of this only. Why? This direction is positive, this direction is negative. Now, a bar, b bar are parallel vectors. A bar, b bar parallel vectors mean theta is equal to 0 or 180. So what is sine 0? Sine 0 is 0. Sine 180 is also 0. So what will happen? If a bar and b bar are parallel vectors, a bar plus b bar is equal to 0. Now, if a bar plus b bar is equal to modulus a bar into modulus b bar into sine theta into n cap. So if you take the modulus, why you are taking modulus means modulus a bar cross b bar is equal to sine theta. Sine theta also in modulus only. Modulus a bar into modulus b bar into here n cap is a vector. So you have to take its modulus also. Then it will be 1. So sine theta is equal to what? Modulus a bar cross b bar by modulus a bar into modulus b bar. Sine theta is equal to modulus a bar cross b bar by modulus a bar into modulus b bar. Now, what is I cap cross j cap? If I cap, j cap, k cap are unit vectors, I cap cross j cap is equal to modulus I cap into modulus j cap. And what is the angle between sine 90? And unit vector perpendicular to this is k cap. So I cap cross j cap is k cap. Similarly, j cap cross k cap is I cap. K cap, this is anti-clockwise. Always remember, it is in anti-clockwise direction positive. I cap cross j cap is positive, k cap. J cap cross k cap is I cap. K cap cross I cap is j cap. Similarly, j cap cross I cap is equal to what? Minus k cap. K cap cross j cap is equal to minus I cap. I cap cross k cap is equal to minus j cap. Because it is in the clockwise direction. And a bar cross b bar plus c bar is equal to what? A bar cross b bar plus a bar cross c bar. And a bar is equal to a1 I cap plus a2 j cap plus a3 k cap. B bar is equal to B1 I cap plus B2 J cap plus B3 K cap. Then to find out A bar cross B bar, we are using this formula. Determinant I cap, J cap, K cap, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. If A bar and B bar are two non-zero vectors, then A bar cross B bar is equal to determinant I cap, J cap, K cap, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. Now, geometrical meaning of vector product. If A bar and B bar are the adjacent sides of a parallelogram, then area of parallelogram is what? Modulus A bar cross B bar. A bar, B bar adjacent side means then you have to find out A bar cross B bar, then find out its modulus. Area of triangle whose adjacent sides are A bar and B bar is given by half into modulus A bar cross B bar. Adjust, or we can write like this also. If ABC are the three vertices of a triangle, then half into modulus AB cross AC. This is the area of triangle. Or half into modulus BC cross BA. Or half into modulus CA cross CB. This is the area of triangle. Area of triangle is still half into modulus AB cross AC, or half into modulus BC cross BA, or half into modulus CA cross CB. Similarly, if diagonals of a parallelogram are given, then area is equal to what? Half into C bar cross D bar. Or if A bar and B, if C bar and D bar are the diagonals, then area is equal to what? Half into modulus C bar cross D bar. Now, so A bar cross B bar is what? A bar cross B bar is equal to AB sin theta into N cap. AB sin theta into N cap. Now you see, so A bar cross B bar is equal to AB sin theta into N cap. N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar. N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar. So A bar cross B bar is equal to AB sin theta into N cap. So N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar, means what you can say, A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to A bar and B bar. Because N cap is a unit vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar. So A bar cross B bar is equal to AB sin theta into N cap. So since N cap is perpendicular to A bar and B bar, what you can say, A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to A bar and B bar. A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to A bar and also always remember, if A bar and B bar are two vectors, then A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to A bar and B bar. If A bar and B bar are two vectors, then A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to A bar and B bar. In addition, you see what is A bar cross A bar? A bar cross A bar is equal to 0. A bar cross A bar is equal to 0. Similarly, I cap cross I cap is equal to 0. J cap cross J cap is equal to 0. Like that. Then another is, if A bar and B bar are two vectors, A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to A bar and B bar. Another one is, if A bar and B bar are two vectors, A bar cross B bar by modulus A bar cross B bar is unit vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar. If A bar and B bar are two vectors, A bar cross B bar is a vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar, and A bar cross B bar by modulus A bar cross B bar is perpendicular to both A bar, unit vector perpendicular to A bar and B bar. So always remember. So these are the properties of unit. One is what? A bar cross B bar is equal to determinant I cap, J cap, K cap, A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. This is A bar cross B bar. Now, what is, if A bar and B bar are adjacent sides of parallelogram, then area is equal to what? Modulus of A bar cross B bar. If A bar and B bar are the diagonals of parallelogram, half into modulus A bar cross B bar. If ABC are the vertices of a triangle, then area is equal to what? into modulus AB cross AC or half into modulus. Anyway, starting point should be same. That only BA cross BC half into CA cross CB. This is the idea. Now another is if A bar and B bar are, if A bar is a vector, then A bar cross A bar is equal to 0. Okay.